Hello everybody, Conti here with another video. How to use the freeze panes options in Microsoft Excel. Freeze panes can be found underneath the View option. If I were to scroll across my worksheet or scroll downwards, the whole table disappears from the screen. Going to View and Freeze panes, selecting Freeze Top Row will produce a dark grey line below this. If I scroll down, note how this remains on screen after I have scrolled away from rows 2 to 4. If we were to change this to Freeze First Column, a similar effect is applied where column A this time will stay on screen after we have scrolled to the right. To undo any freeze pane settings, go to Unfreeze Panes. What if we wanted to freeze multiple rows? I'm going to freeze rows 1 to 3 by selecting the label for row 4 so that all parallel cells are highlighted. Go to Freeze Panes and select Freeze Panes. Now note how the grey line appears just below the field headings here in the table, underneath row 3. If I scroll down, then these will remain on screen at all time. If I wanted columns A to C to always stay on screen, I will first highlight column D, go to Unfreeze Panes to undo the previous change we did to the first 3 rows, and then the top Freeze Panes option. And now the first column of the table will always be on screen. What if we wanted to freeze both rows and columns so that here in this example the field names will always be on screen when we scroll vertically, and when we scroll horizontally the fruit ID will always be on screen? Since I want the freeze pane setting to be applied to the cells to the left and above the cell containing kiwi, I'm going to select this particular area of my spreadsheet, cell D4, and go back to Freeze Panes under View. And now 2 grey lines appear on screen, and so now as long as you are towards the top left corner of this particular worksheet, all 3 field names will remain on screen as you are scrolling vertically. And so that the fruit ID is always on screen as we scroll horizontally. To select the Freeze Panes menu using a keyboard shortcut, hold in Alt and W and tap F. This will produce the menu with the 3 options. Tap F again to select the first Freeze Panes option. Tap R to choose Freeze Top Row, or tap C to select Freeze First Column. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that video was useful to you. If you enjoyed the content and wish to be notified about future uploads on this channel, please like, share and subscribe. Join me soon for another video. Take care.